Hey, you. Yes, you. Don't look right. Don't look left. I'm talking about you. Your knee pain might not be a knee problem. Crazy, right? You're home like, man, what's this guy talking about? But hear me out. If your glutes are not doing their job, your knees are working overtime. So in this video right here, I'm gonna show you two muscles and two exercises that can help take pressure off of your knees so that you can move easier, safer, and with less pain. Let's go. Yo, a championship team is a great team. Your body works like a team. Every muscle has a joint. Every joint helps out. When our team works together, things feel smooth, strong, and easy. Your muscles and joints talk to each other all day. One moves, the other helps guide it. One gets strong, the other feels safe. They all feed off each other to keep you moving without pain. Your hips are the big, strong players on the team. They create power when you walk, stand, and climb stairs. When they are strong, they take pressure off the rest of your body. Your knees, they are the key role players. They help, they bend, they straighten, and they guide your movement. But they're not built to do all the heavy work by themselves. They need support. So if those big, strong players of your team, the hips aren't showing up to work, that's gonna cause some issues. And those issues lead to the knees working overtime. They get tired, they get stressed, and that's when pain shows up. Strong hips protect your knees at every single step. Let's go ahead and knock on the door and meet the two muscles that help protect your knees. Meet your glute max. This is your biggest butt muscle. It sits on the back of your hips. Its job is to help you stand up, climb stairs, and push your body forward when you walk. It's one of the strongest muscles in your whole body. Now meet your glute med. This muscle sits on the side of your hip. It keeps your hips level when you walk or stand on one leg. When it's strong, your knee stays in a safe position. So why does knee pain happen? Well, if your glutes are not showing up to work, that leads to more pressure at the knee joint, which means over time, pain hits. And as you know, your knees have been working overtime and they haven't been getting paid overtime. So they're gonna be knocking on the door like, yo, boss man, boss woman, I don't know about you, but I've been working overtime and it's time to pay up. So what do we gotta do? We gotta make sure we pay them well, we take care of them, and we do what we need to do to give them the support that they need. So yo, let's get right into exercise number 1. Let's build strength where your knees need it the most, your glutes. Let's go. Start by laying on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Keep your arms relaxed at your side. Before you move, gently tighten your stomach like you're bracing for a light poke. This helps protect your back. Now push through your heels and slowly lift your hips up towards the ceiling. At the top, squeeze for a few seconds. Squeeze your glutes, squeeze them for a few seconds like you're holding a coin between them. Then slowly lower back down. Try not to arch your back or push through your toes. This is all about your glutes doing the work. If you feel this more in your hamstrings, bring your heels a little closer to your body. This exercise matters because strong glutes act as a support system for your knees. Now let's wake up the side of your hip. This is your glute med and it's a big protector for your knees as well. Start by laying on your side with your knees bent and your feet stacked on top of each other. Rest your head and keep your body in one straight line. Before you move, gently tighten your stomach so your body stays steady. Now keep your feet together and slowly lift the top of your knee up like a clamshell opening. Then bring it back down with control. Try not to roll your hip backwards. Imagine you have a cup of water on your hip. You don't want it to spill. You should feel this working right on the side of your hip, not in your back. This exercise matters because this muscle keeps your hips level and your knee in a safe position when you walk, stand, or go upstairs. Yo, just imagine going on a walk and your knees feel strong and supported. Each step feels smoother, not stiff or painful. Think about standing up from a chair and it feels easy again. No hesitation, no pain, no holding your breath. Your knees feel steady and supported. Think about having confidence to go up a flight of stairs and then not feeling like a dread that you gotta pull yourself up by grabbing onto the rails. Picture getting back to the activities you love, working out, playing, moving freely without your knees holding you back. All right, the take-home message. If you don't get anything out of this video, this is what I want you to get. Keep the glutes strong because they help take pressure off of the knees, period. Now, if this video was helpful, like, subscribe, send it to mamas, send it to pops, send it to grandpa Paul, send it to grandma Malls, send it to everyone. If you are having knee pain right now, I have a 7-day knee reset guide in the comments down below. That is for you. Tap into it, soak it up. I have something to do every single day for 7 days to help reset the framework of what got your knee to where it is right now. If you're having any questions, send them downstairs below, and I will see you all for the next one.